All right, so it's about 7 p.m. Jumped out here after work about 6 o'clock and wanted to change one row of these lights out. So you can see these, like I said, I did a video yesterday. These are the old lights. They're, fluorescent. They put off a ton of heat. Big, about 4 foot long, 2 foot wide, and you get close to them, they're putting off like 160-degree heat. And I, let everybody know I already had some LEDs I'd bought a couple of months ago that I knew were going to go in at some point, and I hadn't got around to it. I was actually going to wait till I finished everything, but I decided, when I realized how much heat those were putting off, that I need to buckle down and do it. So just finished the first row up, and here they are. So these are those little small plug-in LEDs. There's 3 of them spaced right where the other lights were kind of hanging. I did have to put a receptacle in the junction box up there. I don't know if you can see it with the glare, because these just plug in, which I like, because if one burns out, I can just replace it and plug another one in. A lot more light. So again, still got to get out here and clean up. I spend most of my time out here on the weekends, and when I'm working from home and not traveling, I try to get out here in the evenings, but usually only spend an hour or so. But luckily this didn't take long. It took me about an hour to swap those out. Just had to climb up on the ladder each one, pull the old lights down, then put the receptacle in, and then plug them up, turn the breaker back on. And it actually makes the shop look bigger, because you don't have these big lights hanging down. I mean, that light's not like, I can go up higher on my lift than I am right now, but the very top setting, it hits the light. So I never go up as high as I need to, and I'm right at 6'2", so you can see my head. It's a little bit of a bump hazard. So it's gonna make things just a little cleaner, but you can, man, the difference, just see how it's kind of got that yellow tinge over here to those fluorescent lights versus the LED. Makes such a difference. Guys love LED lights. I know that women don't like LED lights. I've seen them complain about it, about how it makes them look real with, kind of shows that they're wearing a lot of makeup. So I don't know. I'm not getting into, arguing with women over lighting, but guys like LED lights because they're bright, they're cheap, they don't put off a ton of heat, or at least they're not supposed to. So let's just see. I'll see if I can put this beam on this LED. It's kind of hard to see if I'm on it or not. And if I am, is that like 90 degrees? I think the light is maybe a little bit higher, 95. So if that light right there is putting out 95 versus those lights over there putting out like 150 to 160, 6 lights, 50 more degrees higher. I mean, we're talking 300 degrees that it pulls out of here. So anyway, like I said, just wanted to show the difference these make. I'll have to jump on those probably this weekend or something when I have a little time. Didn't take but about an hour. Of course, I got to get the car down and all that stuff, and still got a little cleaning up to do. So that will get done soon. Maybe not till the weekend, but these I was able to get to real easy with the floor wide open, and it didn't take very long, about an hour. So anyway, just wanted to kind of share that with you. Won't be long. I'll have this thing completely sealed, have the roof closed in, and hopefully those ACs over there will be set at like 78 to 80, and it keeps at that temperature, year round. All right, out of here. Peace.